Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at one of the most futuristic and jaw-dropping luxury motorhomes imagined for 2026. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling luxury penthouse blended with next-generation automotive design. From the first glance, you can tell this motorhome is built to dominate highways, campsites, and social media feeds alike. The design language is bold, aerodynamic, and ultra-modern, giving it a presence that feels more concept car than traditional RV. Starting with the exterior, the front fascia is absolutely striking. The massive vertically slatted grille gives it a bold and authoritative stance, almost like a high-end luxury limousine scaled up to motorhome proportions. Surrounding that grille is a full LED light signature that creates a continuous illuminated frame. The sharp LED daytime running lights flow seamlessly into the body, giving the front end a clean and futuristic glow at night. The windshield is wide and slightly curved, offering a panoramic driver view while contributing to aerodynamic efficiency. The body lines are smooth, flowing, and sculpted to reduce drag. Unlike boxy traditional RVs, this 2026 model embraces a streamlined silhouette with rounded edges and flush-mounted panels. The side profile reveals large tinted windows that provide privacy while maintaining a premium look. Integrated LED accent strips run along the sides, enhancing its presence in low-light conditions. The triple-axle setup at the rear not only improves weight distribution but also adds to its commanding road stance. Large chrome-finished alloy wheels with intricate patterns further elevate the luxury appeal. Moving toward the rear section, the lighting continues the futuristic theme with a full-width LED bar. The rear design is clean and minimal, with hidden storage compartments and electronically operated cargo bays. Everything feels thoughtfully integrated. Even the exterior storage areas are designed with soft-close mechanisms and premium finishing materials. Now let's step inside, because this is where the real magic happens. The interior of this 2026 luxury motorhome feels more like a 5-star hotel suite than a vehicle. As you enter, you're greeted by a spacious open-concept layout. The ceiling features ambient LED lighting with customizable color themes, allowing you to adjust the mood depending on whether you're relaxing, entertaining, or driving at night. The dashboard is ultra-modern and driver-focused. A fully digital cockpit spans across the front, featuring multiple high-resolution displays. The main instrument cluster provides real-time data on speed, battery levels, or fuel consumption, navigation, and driving assistance systems. A large central infotainment touchscreen controls climate, lighting, entertainment, and even the motorhome's smart home functions. Voice control and AI-based assistants are fully integrated, allowing hands-free operation of key systems. The seating in the front cabin is plush and ergonomically designed, wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching. Both driver and passenger seats are fully adjustable, heated, ventilated, and equipped with memory functions. Sound insulation is exceptional, making the cabin whisper quiet even at highway speeds. Moving further inside, the living area is expansive. There's a large L-shaped sofa made from high-quality materials, paired with a retractable smart TV that rises from a hidden compartment. The flooring is finished in polished wood-style panels, giving a warm yet modern atmosphere. Large panoramic side windows allow natural light to flood the interior during the day. The kitchen setup is equally impressive. It features a full induction cooktop, a built-in convection oven, a smart refrigerator with touchscreen controls, and seamless cabinetry with soft ambient underlighting. Countertops appear to be finished in quartz or marble-style materials, adding a high-end residential feel. There's ample storage space integrated into every corner without making the interior feel cluttered. The bedroom area is designed for ultimate comfort. A king-size bed sits centrally with premium mattress support and integrated reading lights. Surrounding cabinets provide storage for long journeys. Some configurations may even include a sliding privacy door separating the bedroom from the main living space. Adjacent to the bedroom, the bathroom features a full glass enclosed shower, modern vanity sink, illuminated mirror, and high-end fixtures that rival luxury apartments. In terms of performance, this 2026 motorhome is expected to feature either a powerful turbo diesel engine or a fully electric drivetrain depending on configuration. The electric variant could include a high-capacity battery pack delivering impressive range for long-distance travel. Advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride despite its large size. Air suspension technology automatically adjusts ride height for better stability and comfort. Driving assistance features are cutting-edge. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking systems make handling this large vehicle far easier than you'd expect. The triple-axle configuration enhances stability, particularly during highway cruising or when carrying full loads. When it comes to pricing, luxury like this doesn't come cheap. For 2026, this futuristic motorhome is expected to start around $450,000 for the base configuration. Fully loaded versions with advanced electric powertrains, premium interior upgrades, and smart home integrations could easily exceed $750,000 or even approach the $1 million mark depending on customization. It's clearly targeted toward high-net-worth individuals who want luxury travel without compromise. Overall, this 2026 luxury motorhome redefines what a recreational vehicle can be. It blends futuristic automotive styling, advanced technology, premium comfort, and powerful performance into one stunning package. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or simply want to travel in unmatched comfort and style, this motorhome sets a new benchmark for the industry. If this is the future of RV travel, then the road ahead looks incredibly exciting.